Ooh, I slept like a baby last night. How about you, Luigi?
What? Wait. Oh, yeah, I don't even remember what happened.
Alright, I'm gonna go wake up Toad. Toad, wake up! What happened? Nothing happened. We woke up. When you went to sleep immediately. Alright, I'm gonna go inside and wake up. I'm gonna wake up Mickey. Mickey? Mickey? I think he went outside. There we go. Mickey? 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 Oh, where did he go? Here, I'm gonna look around. Go. Mickey? Where did he go? I got to alert the others. Guys, I can't find Mickey anywhere. He's gone.
What happened?
I don't know. I can't find him. I told you.
Wait a second, Mario. Do you think that he might have gotten kidnapped?
Kidnapped? But wouldn't they take us too?
Well, we do have very high weaponry and...
And Mickey seems to be the one... Wait. He's like the craziest of the group. They could have done something to him. He knows he's strong. And also, where did my gun go? I mean, I'm good with my gun. They could have taken that too.
I'm pretty sure they may have taken away that thing. Because honestly, I'm not gonna lie here, man. Your gun was pretty OP, so it would make sense for them to take it away.
Alright, get in the helicopter now. We're leaving this place and looking for Mickey.
Alright.
And there's only one place we can look. The Mushroom Kingdom.
Wow. They really think I'm not strong.
Alright, we are a little far from where we first left off, so we're gonna have to take some time to fly back to the Mushroom Kingdom. Alright, you, Toad, Luigi, split up. We're gonna be in a team. You two also be in a team.
Alright, Mario, so where should we get heading?
That way.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go. Watch your footing.
Oh, dear! Get up here. Okay. Wait, are you okay?
Okay, nearly fell into that deep pit of stuff.
Wait, is that a stove? What?
Alright, let's climb down. Let's go check it out. Alright, how are we gonna get up here?
Wait a second. In your video games, weren't you able to, give each other a boost? Like, I'll jump on your head and you'll give a boost so I can get up there?
Oh yeah, jump on me.
Alright, I'll try it.
Okay. Pull down on that lever.
Alright. Can you make it down there?
Yeah.
Wait, just make a triple jump. Come on.
I can only do double jumps.
Are you sure?
Stay on the thing and put pressure on the thing.
Right. Wait, you freaking... What?
Tommy!
No.
They burnt him!
No.
Don't touch him. Oh! They burned him!
Oh, no.
Oh, the smoke.
What do you think they did to Timmy?
I don't know. They legit killed our friend.
Oh, didn't know him too much. I hope he lived a good life, man.
Oh.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace. Come on, we
gotta go look.
Go.
Mickey! What the? Oh, come on.
They killed Mickey too?
Oh, why does this have to happen?
There's blood everywhere.
Oh, wait a second. Let me...
He's dead.
No, he's not. I can feel his blood pool. Wait, no. That's not his blood. That's his heart. Yeah, he's still alive, but... And what happened to him?
I think this might be a decoy, actually.
Wait. Mario, watch out!
Mickey.
What's wrong, guys? Is there a problem?
You're the problem.
What happened to you?
Mickey, this, you don't sound like yourself.
What do you mean?
That
I'm perfectly normal.
No, you're not.
Die. Run.
Go.
Ah! What the hell? So. What you do? Get away! I'll get you. Just wait till I get more powerful. We'll see. Stay back! Don't you think I'm gonna give up on you that easy? I need to call for backup. Let's go. It's the end of the line, bro. There's nowhere you can run.
Snake eyes. I need to call for help.
What have I done? I guess this is the end of Disney now.
Mickey? Mickey! Speak to me! Mickey! Mickey! Tommy! Dogman, what's wrong?
It's.
Is he dead?
I don't know. I haven't really checked, but
Check his pulse.
Okay,
He has a pulse. It's really slow though.
he does. Okay. What's going on? Oh, you're alive. All I remember is something happened to Timmy. I don't even know.
Wait, what happened to Timmy? Dogman.
Last thing I remember, they put him somewhere. I don't know where
No,
he is.
Dogman. Don't you know something about Timmy?
Well, I'd rather not tell you. You know, it's kind of. I'll tell you later. It's more of a thing that might get you a little sad, alright? Just let me patch you up for now. I got medical school, alright?
All right. Come on, we have to bring him back to the helicopter. We gotta find Mario too. Come on, Mickey.
Come on, you can make it. Mario, what happened to you?
I pulled a snake eyes grenade.
What? That's way too powerful, Mario. We have to go back.
I'm fine though.
Wait,
But Mickey, he's
what?
dead.
Mickey, no! Why didn't I come? I could have helped all of you. No!
It was for the greater good. Get to us. We have to get out of here.
That's the only choice now, Mario. Let's go.
Grab Mickey.
Hey, that's the best. Come on, everyone. We have to go now.